These wondrous vales of nature by Abeiku. Trickle, tickle, fickle minds, I will not surrender. If my crooning your ears ray thunder, say, sir, not another vision seek I you find. Deep in my heart regurgitates much pleasure. 'Tis my sight groping on the field of melons so splendor, vales and hills of foamy texture, splashed with honey mixed in tiger nutty milk, icebergs not ending in tips, mounds rising to the occasion, floating canvas dimples, beckoning, circling, nibbling, itching, begging trembling lips, blind beggarly squits. My eyes have not faltered this time, nor flipped. Clear the sunny sea of your shady tricky inky freaks. Here is sweetness clearly defined. Steady telescopes guide with no bend, lead straight to those ends. Shadows, oh shadows beneath the mounts, products of dreams unending. Strong longing, flimsy pain, creeping, defying physiological research. Raises, rises, lifts, drops. Nature does not defy itself. A tango of nipples and dickers will end in a mutual droop till the next arousal. And if I were a spaceship, nowhere else would I land, just here, on the lush paths in same wondrous vales of nature. Dream, plan, strategize the next flight. Sing again and again I will, my multiple nouveau ouvre my thrill. Passion flows in the bosom of music. Fly across or set fire to the sea, frivolous starved nymph. Bliss is sustained with no permanent character. Abeiku, copyright 2020.